is the weld machine. As you can see, the truck is being towed back home again because somebody pulled out in front of me. And I hit him, and now it's not good. Guys, the weld machine, you probably won't see this until a year from now. But this is the accident. Again, number 2 accident in the truck. It's a lot of damage. Look at the bumper, the bumper build. You guys remember that from previous videos. And if you look down, straight down here, you can see where everything's pushed in. And then another thing, this bumper is very, very strong. If you see that right there, it pushed that whole piece in. Yeah, pushed it all in. You got a broken thing right there. Yep, broken light. Yep, everything's messed up. I'm gonna pop the hood, show you some damage. Hey, what you laughing at? Battery's being pushed out. Everything's not straight. Battery's pushed back. Frame. Everything's jacked up. So it's a lot of good damage to it, guys. And alright.